Hello everyone, welcome back to Moment Star. Hope everyone doing great. So today this video it is a yet another product review and demonstration. So I love sandwiches. I know everybody like to eat sandwich. So this is a product review and demo about Borosil Jumbo Grill Sandwich Maker and Toaster. So why to do late? Let's open our sandwich machine. So the Amazon packing is really great and awesome. The way they pack, I'm so much impressed. They do a outer cover and inside they put the thermocol packing covers. It's really nice. So the sandwich maker is here. How does it look? It is black and gray in color. So yes, look wise it is good and I feel it is very sturdy also. Really the Amazon packing for electronic product and all, I'm so impressed. Yes, you can see they have given in right side there is a lock, so if you know, if you want to keep it also like standing position, you can keep, see, like this they have a lock right side. Yes, you have to just move the lock forward back to open and close. Yes, and one good thing about this product is the grill pan is very good and it is non-sticky, and the grilling line is very thick so that it will give a very crispy crunch to the bread when we do sandwich or only bread toast. Even you can do yummy garlic bread toast in this. Two indicators is there, cooking mode and heating mode, it's available. Like when the green light is on, that means your machine is ready to cook. Yes, you can see this thick grill line, that is very thick, and everything is of aluminum. There is no plastic at all in this product. That is the main thing I like. And why I bought this, you can do two big sandwich in this. In the normal sandwich maker it is very difficult to do the normal the bigger sandwich bread. You can only use the regular bread sizes, but in this you can do at a time two jumbo grill sandwich, and they have another model, higher model, in that you can do four. So if your family size is big, then you can prefer that one. As we are only member of two, I preferred this. So this is the joint one. Yes, you can see there is a gap. Okay, the most pros about this product is the gap between this allows the bread, how much ever filling or stuffing you give, it will not make the bread little forward. Okay, you can see here how I'm making it. So yes, this is a another benefit for you people, that I am all in this product review, I am also telling you how to do a mushroom sandwich. Okay, I have already fried the mushroom, onion, tomato with some garam masala. Now I have taken a normal size of bread because, as you know, now we are not able to find the supermarket open every time. So whatever I got, I used. So this is the smaller size bread. I'm applying little sandwich spread. So I have already on the machine and preheated it. So now the green light is on. So that means it is ready to cook. So now we can keep our sandwich to make it grill. The grilling pan is very much non-sticky, so if you don't want to put butter or ghee or oil, that is fine. I will apply little bit of oil. If you are not applying also, that is fine. So here you need to keep this way. I am just brushing little it to for a good taste. So now close it, and you no need to press it. It is the top one is very heavy, so that it itself will press the bread. If you want a little bit to press, if you are doing 2 layer of sandwich, then you can little press it. So you can see within, I think it took only lesser than a minute, it is cooked. So I'm just turning it to show you how it is cooked both side. So other side I have not applied any oil, so it has not come little color. So now I'm applying just little bit of oil. We'll close and cook it for some time. So our sandwich is ready. I will show you how does it cook from inside. Wow, it looks so yummy and crunchy. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get all my new video notification. Thank you.